Today I'm going to share with you a short presentation about the Happy Camper presentation card. If you are an online teacher or classroom teacher, this application is going to help you a lot. It's really fruitful. It's helped me, I'm talking personally, it's helped me a lot. Okay, as you see, this is the application. It came from MacMillan Education. It's contained 7 books from S grade to 6th grade. Every book right here, it's contained 2 parts. Language Lodge, then student book. Let's take for example class 4, yes, 4th grade. As you see, let's open this book. All the books, as I told you, divided into parts: language lodge and student book. Let's open, for instance. Yes, as you see here, every book contains 8 units. Let's take for example unit 2. In unit 2 there is lesson 1 and lesson 2. In lesson 1 there is vocabulary. You can teach your student vocabulary. Yes, you can show it to your students in an audio form. For example,
Unit 2, Lesson 1, Activity 1. Listen, then echo.
Vocabulary, 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 Wake up, brush your teeth.
or you can show it to your student in a video form. Yes, like this.
Vocabulary, vocabulary, Wake up, brush your teeth, take a shower.
Okay, that's it. In lesson 1 there is vocabulary, and also there is a song right here. This song, your student, they have to listen to it, then fill the blanks right here. They have to listen, then fill the blanks, and cross, then check. Yes, let me play the song for you to see it.
Unit 2, Lessons 1 and 2. In the morning.
They wake up Monday morning and they take a shower. They're going to school in just 1 hour.
Yes, that's it about lesson 1. And here, to check your student understanding, you can move to language lodge to see the activities, to check your student understanding. Yes, here there is picture, and your student, they have to complete, fill the blanks. This one, it's an interactive exercise. Yes, brush your teeth. Okay, brush. Yes, your student, they have to write brush your teeth. Okay, let me check. Yes, it's correct. This one, no. Okay, next. Okay, it's an interactive exercise right here. Okay, now let's get back. I have to click right here to get back. And in lesson 2 there is a grammar snapshot. In lesson 2 there is a small grammar rule. Go with lesson number 1. They brush their teeth, they don't get dressed. Yes, and here there is an activity. They wake up on Monday morning, they take a shower on Monday morning. This is an activity that might help your student to grasp this rule. Okay, let me see it right here. Okay, they take a shower. They take a, yes, let me check if it is correct. Yes, it's correct. And you can continue right like this. Yes, they don't get dressed, they don't brush their teeth. They're here on Saturday morning. Yes, and here there is a short dialogue for your student to practice it with each other. It's Saturday morning, they don't get dressed. It's Saturday morning, they don't brush their hair. Yes, then let's, yes, also here in lesson 2 there is an interactive told you here in lesson 2, there is an interactive exercise. You have to move to language lodge, then listen 2. Here there is a rule: they brush their teeth, they don't get dressed. And there is an activity right here, yeah, for your student. They have to make sentences about this chart from according to this chart. Yes, they have to make sentences according to this chart. And also there is another activity. These are interactive activities. So let's get back to student book from here. Yes, student book, lesson unit 2, lesson 1 and 2. Then let's move to lesson 3. In lesson 3 there is a comic strip right here. You can show it to your student in an audio form also, or a video form. Yes, I forget to show you something. Yes, there is this part from here about flashcards. For example, you can show this card to your student and ask them, what is this? And they have to say, wake up.
Wake up.
Yes. What is this? Brush your teeth, etc., etc. As I told you, here there is a comic strip. You can show it to your student in audio form or a video form. For me, I prefer to show it to your student in audio form at the first listening and ask them what they are talking about, to encourage them to speak, and to encourage them to improve their listening, and to check what they grasp, what they understand from the first listening. Okay, then I show it to my student in a video form.
Are Lisa and Tom ready for the trip?
I don't know. Do they have their toothbrushes and toothpaste?
Yes, as I told you, this comic strip, if you have a lot of students, they can play roles and they have to read this dialogue. Then here there is a dictation. Your student, they have to find these items right here, then underline it. For example, hairbrushes, they have to underline it, then they have to write it right here. They have to listen, then write. Okay, let me show you dictation.
Unit 2, Lesson 3, Activity 3. Dictation. Listen and write. Then say.
1. Toothbrush. 2. Comb.
Yes, this is dictation, and you can move to language lodge to check your student understanding. Okay, so let's get back here, and in lesson 4 there is grammar snapshot. There is a short grammar rule right here. They have to match this activity. They have their brush teeth. Yes, they do, according to the dialogue. And here there is a chair box. You can present it to your student in video or audio.
Happy campers, listen here. Now it's time to do a cheer. Hey, 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 hey. Ready? Okay. They have toothpaste, yes they do. They have toothpaste, yes they do. They have soap too. They have soap too. But they don't have shampoo.
Yes, that's it. And here there is flashcard about these items right here. Yes.
Hairbrush.
Okay, and also there is an activity in language lodge according to lesson 4. Then let's move to lesson 5. In lesson 5 there is a text. You can present it to your student in audio form. Yeah.
Unit 2, Lessons 5 and 6.
Every morning, Harry and Ben wake up early. First, they brush their...
Yes, then right here there is comprehension. Yes, as I told you, here there is a comprehension activity, then here there is a pre-writing activity. Zoom in on writing. Make a list for your morning routine. You have to make a list right here. Then according to this list you have to write a paragraph. In the morning I do etc. Yes, the activities that you do in the morning. Here there is pre-writing and here there is writing. In lesson 4, in lesson 7, it's about it's a class project. It's an activity for your students. And here in lesson 8 there is roundup. It's small quiz for your student to check their understanding of the unit vocabulary. I think all the units go in this follow the same structure. Vocabulary about workplaces, for example, this is unit 3, and there is a song, there is grammar snapshot, there is a listening to a comic strip right here, dictation, grammar right here, and there is a reading of this non-fiction text, comprehension, pre-writing, writing, and class project, then a short quiz for your student. Yes, as I have to say what I have to say to you, that here what come with this application is assessment pack. This assessment pack is full of quizzes. Each unit you do it, you practice it with your student, you will have a quiz here, or you can make it by yourself in the website of Happy Camper. Yes, here there is assessment pack, and here a Happy Actors pack. Happy Actors pack, it's full of songs and playwrights. If you are a classroom teacher, there is playwrights to practice it with your student, and here songs and poems also. Methodology handbook, and there is visual pack. In visual pack there is flashcards, etc. Planner. Yes, that's it about the MacMillan education, the Happy Camper presentation guides. Next time I'm going to show you something more about this one. Okay, hope you nice